Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Duolingo and signing in. This ties your progress to the new course. Once logged in, make sure the app is updated so new language packs appear. On mobile, tap Profile, then Settings, then Learning Languages. On web, go to Settings Learning Language. You should decide which language you currently use and which one you want to add, because that pairing determines available courses and placement tests. Continue when you see the Add a New Course option. You now pick the course for the language you want to learn. Duolingo shows options based on your base language. Once selected, decide whether to take the placement test. If you know basics, testing skips beginner lessons. Then set your daily XP goal to build habit. This affects reminders. Make sure to enable offline downloads if you need lessons offline, and sync across devices by confirming the same account. After configuration, head into Lesson 1 to begin. You finish by starting the first lesson and watching progress appear in the tree. This confirms the course is active. Once done, make sure progress syncs across devices by forcing a manual sync or logging out and back in. If lessons fail to appear, clear the app cache, reinstall, or check your account language settings. Finally, contact Duolingo support with screenshots and your account email if problems persist. That speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.